Centennial Technology, Chuangshin brand. Chuangshin concentrates on development, production and sales of dental treatment machines. Have been rated as quality brand. Demonstration enterprise for years. In 2017, also rated as Guangdong New High-Tech Enterprise.
With powerful R&D team, we absorb international advanced technique and integrate all kinds of resource to develop the suitable and high-quality products.
As our main model, the CX8918 gives a new look. The water rushing and supplying platform, tool tray and assistant table are made of acrylic material, which is beautiful and exquisite. CX8018 model apply the harmonious line collocation. DTC 327 implant is designed basing on the newest industry market demand. Inside the unit DTC 329, we used many imported parts to make sure the quality is reliable. Your satisfactory is our pursuit. We have our own hardware factory equipped with automatic machining center, laser cutting machine and wielding robot arm. Regarding to quality as our foundation, we strictly control every procedure from product development, design, production, adjusting. Our company has got ISO 13485 and our products has got CE certification. Our sales network is continuously stronger day after day. Our products are also very popular in many countries and regions. We pay much attention to the feedbacks and suggestions from our customers and continuously improve the quality. Our factory is around 10,000 square meters and we have strict warehouse management system. The great development of Chuangshin depends on all the members of Chuangshin family. We have an excellent enterprise culture and focus on teamwork presentation. In the future, Chuangshin will continuously absorb the customers' suggestions to update our product and provide wholehearted service to you. Your success is our business. Chuangshin.